Hello guys, so today I'm going to tell you how you can allow apps to access photos. So if you guys find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is Smart Tech, so let's get in. Now what you need to do is open up your settings app in your iPhone and then scroll down until you see privacy or something like privacy in the new versions. So once you are here, look for photos, and then you guys will be able to see bunch of different options, bunch of different apps which has access to your photos. Now if you see an app that has none written to none written over all photos, then what you need to do is open up that app, by clicking on that. Then that app will be set to none, right? So it's gonna show up like that, none over all photos. That means TikTok app doesn't have access to my photos, right? So how you can give access to that is now you guys can see two different options. You guys can select some photos and then hit on that. That means TikTok will have selected access to photos which you select, and then give access to the TikTok. For me, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit on all photos so that TikTok will have access to all of my photos right on this iPhone. Okay, so here, hit on all photos. Then you guys have given access to the TikTok app in your iPhone. So that's how you guys can give access to all of the apps that needed and access to your photos. Okay, so guys, for the course of this video, that's it. If you guys find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is Smart Tech. So see you in the next video. Peace.